Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Payne and I'm a junior in the Applied Investment Management program at Marquette, covering domestic industrials. Today I will be pitching Clean Harbors at a price target of $124.09, representing an upside of 33.61%. Clean Harbors is the largest hazardous waste disposal company in North America and is a leading provider of energy, environmental, and industrial waste services. The company operates through two main segments, which includes environmental services, representing 78.3% of revenue, and their safety-kleen segment, representing 21.7%. Safety-kleen engages in the sales of industrial and automotive cleaning parts and is the largest re-refiner and recycler of used oil in North America. The company was founded in 1980 and is headquartered in Norwell, Massachusetts. Clean Harbors has been a leader in environmental waste disposal over the past 2 decades. Through strategic acquisitions, the company has started to expand both geographically and into other industries. These acquisitions are meant not only to expand their reach, but also to add the acquiree's operational efficiencies and automation to their own services. Most recently, the company acquired HydroChemPSC, which directly relates to the company's industrial services revenue portion included within their environmental services segment. Clean Harbors was heavily affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and saw revenues drop nearly 8% as a result of less industrial waste volume from decreased production across all industries. Prior to 2020, Clean Harbors was growing revenue at a 5-year CAGR of 7.8% and EBITDA at a 5-year CAGR of 9.3%. As waste volume returned in 2021, Clean Harbors saw its revenue skyrocket 24% year over year. Due to Clean Harbors' proven financial performance and room for tremendous growth in the future, it is recommended that Clean Harbors be added to the Applied Investment Management Small Cap Fund with a price target of $124.28, representing a 33.61% upside. The first growth driver is Clean Harbors' ability to grow through acquisitions. Clean Harbors' acquisition strategy is to acquire valuable assets and businesses that create geographical expansion and diversify their operations in different industries. The company's acquisition of HydroChemPSC is estimated to generate $744 million in additional revenues and EBITDA of $115 million. In addition to the added revenue, management has also projected $40 million in cost synergies produced by cross-selling, implementation of automation, and improvements of operational efficiencies. The integration process of HydroChemPSC is projected to be completed before the third quarter of 2022 because of Clean Harbors' understanding of HydroChemPSC's market and business operations. The second driver is Kleen Solutions. Since the acquisition of safety-kleen in 2011, Clean Harbors has continuously taken strides to grow this segment of revenue and seen growth in the oil segment of revenue at a 4-year CAGR of 54%. This is attributed to the increase in volume over this period of time and the price of base oils over the past 2 years. Management is expecting an increase in volume as we continue to see companies shift to clean solutions such as oil re-refinery. In addition to the shift of companies to clean solutions over the past decade, safety-kleen's oil segment has seen and will continue to see increased volume because of new regulation coming out of the International Maritime Organization in 2020. These regulations restrict ships from using dirty motor oil as a fuel supplement when traveling across the world, which creates a significant increase in the need for oil re-refinery. As businesses continue to transition to clean solutions, safety-kleen's oil segment will continue to increase the amount of oil they collect each year, which is currently at 250 million gallons. The third driver is incinerating the competition. Clean Harbors currently owns 9 active incinerators that have the total capacity of 58,000 tons for hazardous waste and 502,000 tons of capacity for solids and liquids. Clean Harbors incinerators make up 9 of the only 85 incinerators in the United States, with that number only decreasing because of the costs, regulations, and permits associated with maintaining and running an incinerator facility. There are strict regulations surrounding the use of incinerators, but Clean Harbors is able to overcome these regulations because of their heavy oversight of these incinerator facilities. The company also has plans to build and acquire 3 incinerators in 2024 to 2027 in order to increase their volume intake. Volume has already seen significant growth Its direct revenue from incinerator usage increased by $156 million year over year in 2021. To reach an intrinsic value of $124.72 for Clean Harbors, a 5-year DCF model was constructed. To reach this intrinsic value, a terminal growth rate of 1.75% and a WACC of 7.48% was used. A sensitivity analysis of the terminal growth rate and WACC of 50 basis points ranged from $106.71 to $134.34. A relative EV to EBITDA and PE valuation was also used, with multiples of 8.35 and 51.22, resulting in a relative valuation of $81.47 and $182.24, respectively. By weighing these models, 80-10-10, a price target of $124.72 was reached, representing a 33.61% upside. The first risk associated with Clean Harbors is that they are highly leveraged. As of 2021, Clean Harbors has approximately $2.5 billion in outstanding debt. They have $700 million in debt due in 2024, an additional $1.8 billion due from 2027 to 2029. These substantial levels of debt could adversely affect the company's financial state if they are not able to meet their debt obligations. The second risk associated with Clean Harbors is the return of the pandemic. Clean Harbors' two largest segments of revenue, environmental waste and safety-kleen, are heavily reliant on volume to drive revenues. The continuation of COVID-19 would cut out the volume that these segments rely on and would create a loss volume that could return revenue to 2020 levels. The last risk associated with Clean Harbors is changes in regulation. Environmental waste and oil re-refining are both highly regulated industries, and any significant changes in regulation could have an adverse effect on operations. Alan S. McKim founded Clean Harbors in 1980 and has remained chairman and CEO of the company since its inception. Mr. McKim is recognized as an industry leader with over 40 years of experience in environmental services industry and holds 6.5% insider shares in the company. Thank you everyone for your time today, and I look forward to answering any questions you may have on Friday, February 11th. Thank you.